Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Jacob. I'm back after like a year, and yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys something new. I haven't been on for a long time, had school and stuff like that happening, but otherwise that, just been pretty normal life. And yeah, today I have something else to show you guys. It's a little bit surprised, you might have seen it in the thumbnail, but here it is. This is the new thing we're gonna be working on. It is a 2005 Sierra 1500, and yeah, do a little walk around of the truck. It's a little bit dirty, I mean, not a little bit, a lot. We found this relatively cheap in Michigan, and it's really nice. We look in here, pretty sturdy. A little bit dirty, well, a lot dirty. I have to take another shower of this thing, but this is what we're gonna be working on. The ideas we're gonna do with this is we're gonna put a bed liner in here. All the rust you see, that Bondo right there, we're probably gonna be taking that out soon. The whole bumper, all the chrome is going away. It's gonna be turned black, as you can see from right here too. We gotta get new rims and tires because these things go flat every 5 seconds. This right here, you'll be seeing the video in this soon. Alright, now let's go to the inside. And there it is. Got it all started up. Sadly, got that factory exhaust. Let's hear from inside here what it sounds like. Alright, close the door. Let's see what it sounds like now. Gonna get that brand new looking touchscreen right here. We're hoping at some point we can match this part with everything else and get some leather in here. Yeah, probably not doing anything with the steering wheel. Steering wheel seems fine to me. What did it say? 177,000 miles on it, and yeah. Got all this stuff in here, gizmos and gadgets. Got back little seats over here, since it's the extended cab, it isn't too big. Alright, let's see what it sounds like outside. And there it opens. Right here we got a 5.3 liter Vortec engine. As you can see, everything should be stable here. We just got the brake lines fixed, as they right there were not doing too well, kind of squirting everywhere. But yeah, this is what we got so far. That's the engine. Now we shall shut it. So basically, as another rundown of what we're going to be doing to this truck, we're going to be taking out leather, fixing that rust, getting new, we're going to get subwoofers, so we're going to get a new stereo right there, and you get new speakers. I'm going to fix these up, I'm going to make them louder, so they're not too loud right now, but I can't play anything because then get copyrighted YouTube. Alright, we got to fix this right here. It's a little bit coming on loose. Not too good right there. And yeah, bed liner, rust, a little bit on the rockers, more under it. New tires and rims, that should be coming up soon too. Getting all this black, all this chrome off from it. Sanding that down, making it black. And yeah. Oh yeah, new towing mirrors. We're gonna get towing mirrors because these guys are a little bit too tiny. Kind of tiny. Alright, so that's gonna be the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be making more later. I'm hoping maybe this week I'll make more videos, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. You guys have fun, stay out of trouble. Alright, peace out.